Project Overview. The Horizon Homes Building Technologies Industrial Park Complex is located in Xinzhou City, Shaanxi Province, situated at the junction of the Beijing-Kunming Highway and Yunzhong East Road, adjacent to Taixin Avenue. The project covers a site area of 3,634.23 square meters and has a total gross floor area of 20,752.31 square meters. The total building height is 24.1 meters. The main building has 6 floors above ground, plus 1 basement level. And the side wing has 4 above ground floors. The entire structure adopts a proprietary prefabricated steel structure system, the stepped end plate system. Construction plan. Components delivery. Site surveying and positioning. Foundation pit excavation to design depth. Foundation treatment. Underground waterproofing. Foundation rebar and embedded bolt installation. Foundation concrete casting. Basement level steel column installation. Columns are secured and fastened with high-strength bolts. First floor steel beam installation. Steel beams are hoisted into place with precision, then aligned and fastened using high-strength bolts. Rebar tying and concrete casting. Basement level staircase installation. Basement level ground treatment. Foundation pit backfilling. First floor slab installation. The proprietary UTS precast slab is used for first floor installation, eliminating the need for a secondary topping concrete. Sealed and A-chord joints form a closed interlocking zone at the junction, reinforced by 4 longitudinal rebars inserted at each corner, then filled with C40, 40 megapascals, expansive grout to ensure tight sealing. Studs are welded inside dowel holes at slab to beam and slab to column connections, and the annular gaps are filled with C40 expansive grout. Dedicated steel column installation for the self-climbing crane. Self-climbing crane installation. First floor steel column installation. First floor exterior wall panel installation. Exterior panels are hoisted in place, fixed with connectors on all sides. And sealed with flexible sealant to ensure air tightness. First floor interior wall panel installation. When installing the interior walls, base connectors are fixed on one side first. Then the panel is positioned and aligned, followed by the installation of base connectors on the opposite side. The top beam and fixtures are installed, all joints filled using flexible sealant. First floor staircase installation. Self-climbing crane ascends. Second floor slab installation. Second floor steel column installation. Bathroom installation. The base module is placed first, followed by wall panel installation after alignment. insulated panels, doors and windows installation. SEP installation. Interior finishing.